Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. My name is Elysia. So for today's video, I'm going to be doing a full face of first impressions, and they're all drugstore products. So it means you can find them at CVS, Walmart, Walgreens, whatever, you know, Ulta, wherever you shop for your drugstore products. And yeah, my eyelashes are a hot mess right now. You guys will see later on in the video. And stay tuned to the end of the video if you want to find out if there are any products I will be returning. But without further ado, let's just get right into the video. So I already did my eyebrows. As you can tell, they look kind of thick. I still have to clean them up, but I just waited. I wasn't going to use like one of my concealers because I actually have a concealer that I bought that I'm really excited to try out. Okay, so the concealer that I purchased is really freaking light. Like, can you guys see how light this is? This is really light. It's the Revolution concealer, which I've heard so many good things about this concealer, so hopefully it lives up to its expectations. Gotta open this. I got some right here, so I'm just gonna take my concealer brush. And by the way, I did clean all my brushes yesterday before I was gonna film this video, but obviously I didn't film it because the sun was setting, so the lighting was just not working. Alright, so I'm just gonna clean up my eyebrows with this concealer. Let me like stay right here because if I stay right here, there's no shadows. Okay, so let's see. I really want to clean the top first because I don't know, the top just looks really messy. I wish I had my other brush that's like straight. You know what I'm talking about? This one's curved, so it's kind of harder to get a straight line out of it. This concealer is very thick. It does remind me a lot of the Tarte Shape Tape, I'm not gonna lie. And I can see that it's very full coverage. And I think it's a good shade because obviously I want my concealer to be lighter than my skin tone. So we'll see how it looks when I put like the foundation on and stuff. By the way, I got my braces off, so yeah. I didn't finish my treatment completely though, since I moved to Connecticut, so I'm gonna try to find another orthodontist here. But I mean, in the meantime, I just took my braces off because if I wasn't gonna get them adjusted or anything, there's no point of having them on. But I do have my retainer and everything like that. I really like this concealer. Just saying. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish cleaning up the rest of my brows off camera, and I will be right back. Okay guys, I am back. So as you can see, I did clean up my brows. My brows are like really thick today, and this one kind of looks like it has a different shape, but whatever, we're gonna go with it. I did not buy a primer, so I'm just gonna be using the Benefit Porefessional primer. I already moisturized my face before I started this video because my skin was looking super dry. I actually used two different moisturizers today. I used my Cetaphil and my Mary Kay, because that's just how crusty my skin was looking, honestly. Okay, so I'm just gonna apply this basically all over my face, just because that's how I like to do it. My pores are the worst on my cheeks and on my nose, but obviously I want this all over my face so that my makeup can stay. So usually I would go in with my MAC paint pot just to cover up my redness because I have a lot of redness in my skin. But I just want to see how the foundation will do on its own. So today I'm going to be using the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Matte. I have really oily skin, so that's why I went with the matte one. I've heard good things about both. So yeah, hopefully this is my color. It's 102 Shell Beige. I was trying to swatch them on my hand at Ulta, but like obviously the lighting is not that great in there, so I couldn't tell exactly if this would be my shade. There's a little plastic thing on there. Okay, so I'm just gonna apply it on the back of my hand for right now, and then I'm just gonna dot it all over my face. Okay, this looks like it's my color in the viewfinder, but let me look in the mirror and see. Okay, yeah, this looks like it's a good match. Okay, so I'm going to be using my damn beauty blender to blend this out. This is the new like Tiffany blue one they came out with. Okay, this is like not blending out as like easily as I wanted to. It's looking better now. Okay, this is definitely my shade and I really like it. It looks like it has a lot of like pink undertones to it though, which my skin has more neutral undertones. But so far it's actually has a lot of coverage. I'm really liking these products, guys. I mean, I've only used 2 so far, but I'm really liking them so far. And hopefully this keeps my skin nice and matte, because that's always an issue with me nowadays with foundations. My skin used to be really dry, so I'd always be looking for like dewy products, and now I'm like on the hunt for matte products, and it's like obviously the complete opposite. So it's like hard, because then by the end of the night my skin starts looking hella greasy and I look a hot mess. So okay, I'm just gonna go ahead and apply some more on and I will be right back. Okay guys, I'm back. I'm really actually kind of in love with this foundation, honestly. It just, I don't know, I love the matte look of it. I've never used such a mattifying foundation before, and I'm really liking it. Let's go in with concealer now. And like I said earlier, this concealer, like a little goes a long way, so don't use a lot. It's kind of, honestly, it's like the Tarte Shape Tape. You need a tiny bit of it, and that's it. We are concealed. We're concealing our past here with this wow, this blends out so easily, guys. I'm freaking in love. I swear to God, this is like my new favorite concealer. I don't think I'm gonna buy the Tarte Shape Tape anymore. It's like $24 or $26. Like this concealer, I think it's like $6. Yeah, so I think it's $7, but I got it for $6.65 because I used a coupon. But either way, Ulta always has those coupons. For $3.50 off your purchase. And this freaking concealer is bomb. For $6.65, like seriously, like look at this. I just don't understand. My mind is blown. Like I want to try so much more from this brand now. Like I saw they have so much stuff in Ulta. Like they have all these palettes. I've never really used this brand, but I heard like so many things about this concealer in particular. I'm just curious to see how their palettes look and like the pigmentation and stuff like that. Okay, I'm gonna go on bronzer now. So for the bronzer that I purchased, it was the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. I actually saw it was on sale. I think like 40% off. So I was like, okay, that's awesome, because I've heard so many good things about this. And I decided to take the opportunity. Oh my God, I almost dropped it. That's terrible. It smells like coconuts. Oh my God, it smells so good. So I'm going to be using my Sigma large angled contour brush. This is the F40. I've had this brush for like literally the longest time. Okay. There's a bit of fallout, but like it's normal. Well, let's snatch these cheekbones, shall we? Okay, this is a lot different. I'm just so used to my Laguna bronzer from NARS that I'm just like, this is so light. But it's not bad. What do we think about this bronzer, guys? I don't know, I feel like I look like a pale ghost. I'm gonna have to like put this all over my face. I just love the smell. Like it smells so freaking good. It smells like summer. I feel like I don't even need to set my foundation now because of how matte it is, but I'm still gonna anyways, obviously, because that's just me. Okay, I'm gonna contour my forehead a little bit, try to minimize it because it's huge. Okay, so to set my face, I'm using my Rimmel Stay Matte Powder. I've used this a million times. It's not really anything new. I just want to make sure I stay as matte as possible. I'm going to be trying the infamous Lash Paradise Mascara from L'Oreal. It looks like the Better Than Sex mascara packaging. Well, let's just put that out there, but I think it's supposed to be like a dupe for it. If I can open this up. Oh, by the way, my nails look a hot mess. I just look a hot mess in general. I need to get my eyebrows done, my nails done, literally just my whole life. I need to get everything done. Okay. Oh, it's really light. It's really lightweight, which it's not like a big deal to me. Now, does it work? Okay, it has a really big wand, as you guys can see. Wow! I really like this. This mascara just makes my eyelashes look so fluffy and just... Let me zoom you guys in so you can see. Okay, I don't know if you guys can see that. Look at how matte my face looks. I'm literally in love. Okay, but I don't know if you guys can see that. I freaking love this mascara. Let's apply another coat. See how that looks. There's like some little weird icon on the viewfinder and I don't know what that's from. Okay, just look at the difference. It is a lot like the Better Than Sex mascara. I feel like it's not as clumpy though, to be honest. Like, on the second layer, I do notice a little bit of clumps, but nothing like the Better Than Sex mascara. It just clumps so bad. Now let's apply some to our bottom lashes. I always forget to do my bottom lashes first so that like my top lashes don't touch my eyelid. Okay, I'm noticing a little bit of clumpage now. Nothing too bad. Okay, so this wouldn't be a video on my channel if I didn't test out a drugstore highlight. So the highlight I got for us to try out today is the Milani Afterglow. This one is in the color 1, I guess. Oh, yes, honey. Oh my gosh. This is literally blinding. Look at that. Look at that glow, honey. Is this real life? Guys, look at my nose. Oh my gosh. Now my favorite part of highlighting my face is my Cupid's bow. So I kind of go a little bit ham, but whatever. So, for lashes, I got these Kiss Blowout lashes in the style pompadour. They're just like really wispy and that's the kind of lashes I like. And I heard good things about these lashes, so let's put these babies on. I'm gonna have to trim these already, I can tell. Okay, so the lash glue I'm going to be using is this one. I think it's from Kiss as well. Let me see. Yes, it is the Kiss Lash Couture Strip Lash Adhesive. And I got the one in black because I didn't want it to show. I'm not going to do an eye look today because I just kind of want to take pictures for Instagram and stuff. So, like, I don't want anything super dramatic. Ooh, the lash band on these is so thin. Okay guys, so I do like these lashes. The only issue is that the black lash glue kind of got all over my eyelid and you can see it. This completes the look. The last thing I just found lashes stuck to my hand. The last thing I have to try is this LA Girl Pro Setting Matte Finish Spray. I usually would just get the NYX one. But I saw this one actually in a random spot and I was like, oh, I actually heard good things about that, so let me try it. So it does smell a lot like the NYX one. Look at my lash. It's already unsticking. Oh my god. I think I'm going to take these lashes off, to be completely honest. Because they're really bothering me. Okay, I'm just going to leave it like that. Alright guys, so I hope you all enjoyed this first impressions video. Hopefully you got some like good ideas of new products to try, I guess. These were all drugstore products, so you can find them at Ulta or any like Walgreens, CVS, whatever, Walmart. And I'm pretty sure each product was like under $10 except for the foundation and this like huge pack of lashes, but there's a lot of lashes in there, so but yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you want to see more videos like this, please give this video a thumbs up. And please don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.